the Legend APC's Inline Separator, engineered for excellence. The Legend APC Inline Separator is ideal for woodworking applications. Working seamlessly within woodworking environments, the Legend APC Inline Separator uses both reduced air velocity and centrifugal force to separate dust from the air, with no moving parts to wear out. But its benefits don't stop there. The inline separator also acts as an efficient pre-separator or classifier by capturing larger dust particles before they reach the dust collector. This results in fewer stoppage times to empty discharge bags, barrels, or hoppers, or to replace worn filter elements. Available in sizes ranging from 4 inches to 36 inches in diameter, the Legend APC Inline Separator is perfect for most woodworking or other dry dust applications. Crafted from rugged steel construction and powder-coated for durability, this simple yet cost-effective solution is designed to efficiently remove the bulk of material from the airstream, whether used as a standalone unit or in conjunction with an after filter. Elevate your woodworking experience with the Inline Separator from Legend APC. Efficiency, durability, and performance, all in one powerful package.